Here we come, three friends at Nohashpolli. It is a Brishti Bilash, the house of Humayun Ahmed, and it is a very beautiful place. Here Tariq and Arif is walking, and this is a ghar, and dur that is a chest boat. It's long distance chest ghuti, and here is a chiriyakhana. It is a chiriyakhana.
Okay.
It is a chiriyakhana. That means zoo. And here is a long beach pond. Its name is Lilavati Sagar, and there is so much beautiful. There is a small park, and there is a Nohashpolli like a village. There is a one kua, and another is a so much. One of our friend has going to this house, and here is very large area. This Nohashpolli, and there is a lot of trees, good trees. There is a flower, and another is a soil home, made by everything is soil. There is all kind of like a Bilash Bahul bungalow. It is made by Humayun Ahmed.
Brishti Bilas, you know.
And here another is a here religion.
Okay, just here you can
Ready.
here you can see the cheese board. The cheese board is made by wood, and all of those cheese we can play now this time.
It's very beautiful to see.
Beautiful to see, and we can start play within a minute.
Here another of our friend has coming back by run, and he has tried to play, and there is two players are playing in chest. It's a long chest.
Okay.
Okay. Here it is made by soil. So beautiful house, and it is a gate to going outside, and here is a beautiful garden. And there is a it's a swimming pool in Nohashpolli, so much beautiful. It's look like a flower puppy, and there is a house, and it is a boundary made by soil. And here is another murti has creating, and this time Nohashpolli is closed for the visitors for April 1st 2009, because there is a developing. After finishing develop, they will again it is open. Okay, Shabba khair.